My name is Lexi Oestreich. I am the program officer at the Fargo-Moorhead Area Foundation in Fargo, North Dakota. We had been doing paper applications for about 100 years. It felt like, but probably a good portion of 30 years. We actually were doing paper applications. And then I took over as the program officer, and I kind of thought, okay, let's get with the 21st century and let's move from paper onto a system that's a little bit more manageable. And did a little research, and up popped Foundant and GLM. And so we been with GLM for about 3 years, and pretty quickly when we had moved on to GLM, the whisperings of Community Suite in the darkness were being talked about, and I was very intrigued and excited, and we were so happy with the GLM product and kind of the support we received. Just how easy it was to transition and how user-friendly it is for our grantees and our evaluators. We had been with our previous system for almost 10 years. And so it was really kind of a little scary for some of our staff members and our board to even think of possibly, going with something different that would literally overhaul the entire way we do things and how we manage our assets and our fund accounting and our donor relationships and things like that. So it definitely, we learned a lot about it. We did a lot of demos. We loaded our data and saw with all of our data and really kind of took our time and about learning about the product and seeing what it can do. The tipping point, I think, for us is were the recommendations from other community foundations. We asked for a list of folks that are currently using Community Suite and contact information, and our finance director, our executive director, and myself, the three of us, we did conference calls with each and every one of them on that list, and everybody came back with raving reviews and really talked a lot. And a lot of the folks had been maybe previously using something similar to us, and they just said, you have to make this change. And anyone that's looking at Community Suite, you're looking because you're probably unhappy with something that's operationally with your old system, or maybe you're finally ready to step up to your first ever system because you're sick of Excel spreadsheets and a binder. Think about how you spend your time. And for us, we had to really take a look at how much time our staff was spending doing things in our old system that could have been done with 2 clicks of a mouse in our new system, and what that looked like for our efficiency, and really kind of the return on investment, essentially. Obviously, there's an investment into the software that you're gonna, but if the outcome is that we're going to be a more efficient community foundation, we are going to provide excellent support and a place for our donors to come and log in and see the community needs, and then also have a system that really works for us. We can work efficiently as a group of 6 staff members, and that we can do a lot of different things with it, and have that sort of kind of technology then reflect down to how our donors interact with us and how our grantees interact with us, our students and our scholarships, and then overall just the community and how they can interact with something that really is user friendly and aesthetically appealing, and it kind of raises the bar as a community foundation. You raise the bar. Okay, wow, now fund holders can log in and into the system, and they can make online grant recommendations, and they can look at a grant catalog and look at the needs in the community, and it just kind of raises the scale of the type of organization you are, and that the community members are trusting us to manage their philanthropy, and we take that very seriously. And how do we kind of put that out in the technology that we offer, in the relationships that we build, and that for some of those things.